This is a review of the Tryme Solar Light Outdoor with a motion sensor. It comes with a USB solar powered, it's adjustable angle, 3 modes, and it comes with the Octopus Stand and its IP65 Waterproof that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this solar light, and also we are going to install it to show you guys the finished results. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got everything out of the package, and I want to show you guys these things first. So these there are the solar lights, and they're in the color black, so I got it in a 2-pack. And it does offer 3 intelligent modes. So if there's pretty much like lights, like it's going to show you right over here, different types of modes of lights. So it's 3 modes. If it stays dim at night, charge to strong light mode for 15 seconds. So if there's motion detection, it's going to automatically turn on. You can have that option as well too. And it also offers a mode if you want to have it on all the time, you can have it as well too with the button of this right over here. And this right here on the bottom is the solar panel. So pretty much this thing is where all the sunlight is going to generate. It does come with a charger. If the batteries goes low, you can use this to charge it up. You could also do this for your indoors of your home as well too, but I'm going to be using this for my outdoor of my home. It's going to be done in the backyard, which I'll show you guys for the finished results. But this right here is the Octopus Stand. It's a 45-degree angle, which means that this thing could turn in different angles and different modes. So, doing it with one hand is a little bit difficult, but you can see that it moves around. I could twist it just like this, and it moves like that. So if you're wanting to install it on the fence, you could do it like that. If you're wanting to install it on a pole, you could do it as well like that too. It comes with the screws for mounting for step number 2 for the mounting. So I'm going to probably use this for the installation. And these are the screws that you're going to pretty much, drill it up right over here. And I'm going to be doing this in the backyard, somewhere where there's not enough light where it needs to be light. So I'm going to be doing it there. But these things also come in handy too. If you're wanting to install on the fence, you could do that, or on a pretty much on a pole. If you have a pole nearby, you could do that as well too, and the installation will be done much faster as compared to doing this way. But I'm going to be doing it in this way, which means like the wall mount. So I'm going to be doing that. And yeah, without going further, we're going to go into the backyard and pretty much install this, and then after that, show you guys the finished results. Okay, so the first step is to pretty much get your wall mount, put the screw right over here. You pretty much drill it right there. You can see I have a hole right over there. From there, you just put that screw there, and then from there, that thing should just slide up right there, which I'll show you guys in a second. But from there, that's pretty much it for the installation for the wall mount. It really is relatively that easy. It's not too hard or anything like that. Just, stick these 2 screws right there, then move it like that, and so it reaches there, and pretty much you're done. It's not gonna move anywhere or go anywhere. But yeah, let me show you guys the finished results after that. Okay, so this is the finished results of these wall lights, and so far I'm absolutely amazed with it. You can see they're a little bit of dim, but as soon as I walk and come close to it, it's going to pretty much light up. So as I walk to it, so pretty much if I just show you guys, see, just like that, it turns on. So it's motion detection. It really, really is absolutely phenomenal. Really is easy to install. 2 mounting brackets, screw that in. Solar panel gets the sun from on top of there and during the day, and same goes for that side right there. So it comes in a pack of 2, and so far you could also dim it down if you wanted to and play with the settings. See, it goes just like that. So I have it in the motion detection mode like that, but you can also have it in the, different levels of brightness. So you could dim the brightness down if you want to. You could leave like that the way I have it. I love the way how it looks just like that. So if this motion, if I just like walk, there you go, and it turns on like that. So far, everything's been perfect, and I absolutely love these solar lights. And if you're looking for a set of solar lights, then these are probably one of the best ones. You can see one right there in the corner right there, and this one right over here. And so far, everything is perfect. I absolutely love these lights. If you are wanting a set of solar lights to give an ambience to your home, then these are probably one of the best ones to get, and I would highly recommend these.